Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. I hope you all liked, shared and commented on all my previous videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. So yes, I'm taking the Nandi Hills route and Srinivas is heading towards his dream ride. I'm happy for it. All the best, brother. So the thing is, I might go till Nandi Hills. Just wanted to check out the Ghat section because it's been a very long time. So I just thought like, okay, let me just at least go and check out just have a small ride in the Ghat section of Nandi Hills and then head back home, because I have already seen, I know how Nandi Hills looks like. We can cover it some other day probably, because not today. I have work starting at 9, so I'll have to be home by 9. It's work from home, so shouldn't be an issue. So just wanted to go there, finish the Ghat section and then come back again, because came so far, and if I'm not covering Nandi Hills, it doesn't make justice. So yes. So also one more thing, I'll be adding his link in the description box below. Please go and consider subscribing his channel, because a lot of things are coming on your way. It's a 8,000 kilometers ride, and he's starting his ride officially today. So we didn't have a lot of people for the flag off, considering the COVID situation. So we'll have to be responsible in that. And it's only me who came. Yes, so the flag off was done, and he didn't fix any kind of Indian flag or anything, because according to him, he thinks that only if we are doing something crazy, like if you're achieving a target or a record, if you're beating a record, that is when, or something that you're making your country proud. So according to him, actually that makes sense, right? If you just simply, unless and until you make your country proud, you shouldn't do things like that. But it's a person's perspective. So yeah, hope he goes safe. Obviously he will be going safe. So all the best, brother, and ride hard, ride safe. This is a beautiful place, Nandi Hills. This is a small hill station near Bangalore, and everyone's weekend vibes happens here. A proper ride to end the week on a high note. So today it was a nice ride for me after a long time, and probably tomorrow I might go to Chamundi Hills. Let's see how it works. I'll have to quickly go to Nandi Hills and then come back. That's the plan. Let's see. So once I go to the Ghat section, I will continue the vlog. So yes, the Ghat section starts from here. Such a beautiful place this is. I think this is the 10th or 12th time that I'm coming to Nandi Hills. It was always my favorite place and still will be my favorite place forever. I have a lot of memories here. Such a beautiful place, guys. So I won't be going till the hilltop, guys. I might reach back home. I need to reach back home as soon as possible. So keeping that thing in mind, I'll just reach halfway and then head back home. So let's see how it works. So that's it, guys. I am not going to go till the hilltop. Just wanted to come this side. So I just wanted to give you guys an update regarding getting the Duke 390 2017 model. What actually happened was, I posted the video in my Tamil channel. English channel I'm yet to post it. But I was going to that particular place, and he just informed me, the person who's selling the bike, he just informed me to reach out to him probably the next day. So I was like, okay, fine, let me think about it. And then I couldn't go after that. That was the main thing. Then I couldn't shoot the video as well. So that is the reason in my Tamil channel just the part 1 video came, part 2 I couldn't because I didn't shoot it itself. So I'm just still thinking about the plan of getting Duke 390. Is it really required or not? So let me think about it. I should take some time, planning to invest the money on something else for now, later getting a big bike. Yes, the plan is there. Not sure how many years, but this bike is completely fine for me now. I'm thinking about doing the Leh Ladakh ride in this itself. Hoping for the best. Let's see. So that's it for today's video, and I'm heading back home. I couldn't reach till the hilltop because I already told you that I'll have to reach home a bit earlier. So I hope you don't mind it. Anyways, another next 2 weeks we will ride to Nandi Hills again. It might be a group ride with a couple of friends. So that is why I thought like, okay, at that point of time I can just cover Nandi Hills. So as I always tell you guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon as well. And also do follow me in Instagram if you have any doubts regarding motorcycle, or if you want me to review on anything, or if you want to give some suggestions to improve our channel, please go ahead and drop in your thoughts as a message, and we will get connected. Cool. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye from Franklin. Stay home, stay safe. I don't know why am I saying this, but yeah, have a great day. Bye.